We would gladly bring every single one of our troops home if we could be confident that there were not violent extremists in Afghanistan and now Pakistan determined to kill as many Americans as they possibly can. And it's a job I gladly accept. We would gladly bring every single one of our troops home if we could be confident that there were not violent extremists in Afghanistan and now Pakistan determined to kill as many Americans as they possibly can. I think I can speak for anybody here and for anybody who's been involved in the response and the cleanup effort, and for most Americans, when I say that I would gladly do whatever it takes to end this disaster today.
And I've done that gladly because I am convinced that in any true democracy, the people have the right to know what the government is doing.
Will never fall into the hands of terrorists who would gladly use them against us. Of course, what's also undeniable is that
and it's an obligation that we gladly accept for Americans like Petty Officer Taylor Morris. And you must know that whatever measure of comfort we can provide, we will provide. Whatever portion of sadness that we can share with you to ease this heavy load, we will gladly bear it. That's a task we should gladly embrace on behalf of all those folks who are counting on us, on behalf of this country that's given us so much.
To the President of Mexico, we welcome gladly that the agenda is broadened. There is no speculation on the priority topics to be included in your agendas.
They ask, why did you intervene militarily? They ask us to foot the bill. And the expectation is, why aren't you footing the bill? If there's poverty or crisis or a humanitarian disaster, the natural expectation immediately is, what's the United States doing? Now, we shoulder that burden gladly. We think so. That's been an excellent export that we gladly accept. I think it'd be pretty hard for the UN Security Council at that point to continue to resist the requirement for action, and we would gladly join with an international coalition to make sure that it stops. As the world's only superpower, the United States has unique responsibilities that we gladly embrace.
When do you think the right moment has come to do this? And with looking at all of the big issues that you discussed, this breach of confidence due to the NSA affair of the U.S.-German relations, has that played a role today?
Do you want to go first on that?
Ich kann gerne.
I can gladly start.
And America needs you to gladly, happily take up that work.
Our Nordic countries will gladly both cooperate and compete in the race to reduce emission